In this video, we'll be solving a question on correlation coefficients. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. Here, we are given a simple data, and we are asked to obtain the Pearson correlation coefficient R. Solution. We should recall that the Pearson correlation coefficient R is equal to n multiplied by summation of x, y minus summation of x multiplied by summation of y all over the square root of, we now write n multiplied by summation of x squared minus summation of x all squared in brackets multiplied by n summation of y squared minus in brackets summation of y all squared. So this is the Pearson correlation coefficient formula. This is what we'll use in solving this question. The next thing to do is to get our data x and y. The x is 1, 2, and 3, while the y is 2, 3, and 4. The next thing for we to find from here, you see that we have x squared, we also have y squared. So we find x squared. X squared here is 1, the square of 2 is 4, and 3 raised to the power of 2 is 9. Also for y, we find y squared. 2 squared is 4, squared is 9, and 4 squared is 16. We also find x, y, because from the Pearson correlation coefficient formula, we have summation of x, y here. So we find x, y, that is this multiplied by this. So we have 1 multiplied by 2, which is 2, 2 multiplied by 3, which is 6, and 3 multiplied by 4, which is 12. We rule our line to find the sum. Of course, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1 is 6, 7, 9. 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 4 is 14. 16 plus 4 is 20, 20 plus 9 is 29, and 12 plus 6 is 18, 18 plus 2 is 20. It then means that we have our summation of x i's to be equal to 6, summation of y i's to be equal to 9, summation of x squared to be equal to 14, and summation of y squared to be equal to 29. Summation of x, y to be equal to 20. The next thing to do is to substitute these values into the Pearson correlation coefficient formula. So we substitute those values into this formula to get our answer. The best thing to do is to write our R. Our R is equal to, we can rewrite the formula, n summation of x, y minus summation of x and summation of y all over square root of n multiplied by summation of x squared minus summation of x all squared in brackets multiplied by n summation of y squared minus summation of y all squared. Of course, our n is equal to 1, 2, 3, number of observation, which is 3. So we come here and write r. Our n here is 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by summation of xy 20 minus summation of x is 6 multiplied by summation of y is 9 all over square root of 3 multiplied by summation of x squared is 14 minus summation of x all squared is 6 squared multiplied by 3 again. Summation of y squared is 29 minus summation of y all squared is 9 in bracket, which is equal to 3 times 20 is 60 minus 6 times 9 is 54 all over square root of, we can do this at once, 3 times 14 42 minus 36 42 minus 36 multiplied by 87 minus 81. So we have our r here to be equal to 60 minus 54 is 6 all over 42 minus 36 all over square root of 42 minus 36 is 6 multiplied by 87 minus 81 is also 6, which means that 6 all over 6 times 6 is 36 square root of 36, which is equal to square root of 36 is 6. So it means 6 all over 6, which is equal to 1. Therefore, our r is equal to 1. Our r here means the Pearson correlation coefficient. So this is how we can solve for the Pearson correlation coefficient. And for more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel.